Okay, a little review from yesterday. There's a couple questions here, and what you're going to do is you're going to move one of the blue dots in front of the answer that's correct for each question. Okay, so if I asked you, when is CK used? At the end of a word after a short vowel, or at the beginning of a word after a short vowel? So you would take the dot and you would move it in front of the one that you think is correct, and then you'd leave it there. Okay? And then I'd ask you the second question, when is K used? You're going to take this second dot, you're going to put it in front of the one that's correct. Okay? This one or this one. Put those back up there. Okay, I'll read these questions again. When is CK used? At the end of a word after a short vowel, or at the beginning of a word after a short vowel. Our second question, when is K used? Almost always at the beginning of a word, or only before E, I, or Y. Pick your answers and then move on to the next slide.